If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion cutoff tool and grinder, PCC761B, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. A high-performance motor produces 8,500 rotations per minute for fast and smooth cutting removal. Each tool comes standard with a tool-free cutting and grinding guard, allowing users to quickly and safely adjust the guard. This tool also features a 3-position side handle for control and comfortable use of tool, a durable cast metal gear housing to help dissipate heat during extended use. 20-volt max compact and max pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max cutoff tool grinder combines speed, performance, durability, versatility, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
The latest grinder innovation from Makita, the 9564P 4.5-inch grinder, equipped with SJS technology. Super Joint System, or SJS technology, helps prevent motor and gear damage by allowing the drive shaft to slip if the wheel is forced to a stop. The result? Longer motor and gear life. It's powered by a 10-amp motor with a larger cooling fan and blades which pull more air through the motor to help maintain lower operating temperature. Engineered to prevent damage caused by dust and debris, the 9564P has labyrinth construction, a drive bearing with a spring-loaded dust seal, and an armature coated by zigzag varnish. This new SJS angle grinder is the latest addition to Makita's growing lineup of 32 industrial angle grinders.
This is the Bosch 1375A 4.5-inch small angle grinder. With a 6-amp motor and up to 11,000 RPMs, this grinder can power through concrete, rebar, and other materials. A 5/8-inch 11 UNC spindle works with a wide array of options so you can mount the most popular accessories. And the spindle lock allows for quick wheel changes. The lock on and off switch increases comfort during all-day work. The field windings are coated with epoxy, which provides ultimate protection against abrasive dust and metal debris that are often kicked up on the job. Service minder brushes stop the tool when preventative maintenance is required, so there's no more guesswork. The auxiliary handle can be moved into 2 positions that are specially designed and angled to a natural position for maximum comfort. So, this is the Bosch 1375A 4.5-inch small angle grinder. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch grinders.